I'm Liz Brimble, the Director of Qualifications, Registration and Fitness to Practice here at the EWC. Having a code of professional conduct and practice is very common within regulated professions such as doctors, dentists, nurses, solicitors, accountants. If you are registered with the EWC, the code is a key document for you. It sets out the key principles and expectations on you in terms of your conduct and practice, and it is there to help support and guide you. The code has a dual role in that it is important that learners and young people, parents and carers, and the general public know what to expect in terms of standards of conduct from you as a professional as well. The EWC is required to review the Code of Professional Conduct and Practice every 3 years in legislation, and the 2022 review of the 2019 Code has been completed. The review included consultation with and feedback from registrants, stakeholders and the general public, and I would like to thank everyone who took their time to share their views with us. The revised code is effective from the 1st of September and can be downloaded from the EWC website, along with a range of good practice guides on topics such as using social media responsibly, professional boundaries with learners, being open and honest as an educational professional. These guides have been produced to support registrants in working within the principles and expectations of the code.